How to move camera in Blender like a pro. Let's see add a camera. Now you can move it by pressing G and moving like this. But to move like, you can go back to in camera view and see, and then back. Get back to viewport. Then move it. Then go again. It takes a lot of time. What you can do is go in camera view. Press N and now on view click this. This box and press N. Now what it does if you move it, the camera will move. Now you can place it anywhere and you are done. Thanks for watching. See you next one.